So today I'm going to show you how to do a whipped backstitch. You need two colors, contrasting colors. I'm just going to do a line of back stitches here, which is I think we already have a tutorial for the backstitch. So if you're not sure, you can look at that one. And I'm using 6 strands of the DMC so you can see, but usually I use 2 or 3 strands so it's not so bulky on the project. So on the snowflake that I did was the whipped backstitch for our embroidery sew along this year. For the Christmas one, I used only 3 strands of the DMC. Right, I think that's enough of the stitches. So you can just anchor the thread in the back with a couple of stitches like that, and then you can snip that off. And then I already threaded the second one. So you come out at the first stitch here at the back stitch, right where you came out the first time. You start there, and then you just go from right to left. You go underneath those stitches like that, and always from right to left, just underneath the stitches. You're basically just wrapping the second color around those back stitches, and it sort of makes like a candy cane pattern, which is really nice and looks pretty cool. As you can see already here how it looks. So you go all the way until you've finished at the last stitch here, and then you just go down where your last back stitch is to the bottom, and you're all done. And you can anchor your thread a couple stitches through the back work here. A couple stitches should be fine, and that's it. That's your whipped backstitch.